Hello, good morning. Today we'll be dealing with UNILORIN post UTME past questions. Question 4. A boy buys a biscuit for 4 naira and sells it at a profit of 20%. Find the actual price and the selling price. The answer is I, which is actual price equals to 1 naira, and II, which is the selling price, equals to 5 kobo. B, I equals to 60 kobo, II equals to 4 naira 4 kobo, 40 kobo, sorry. C, I equals to 80 kobo, II equals to 4.80 naira, which is 4 naira 80 kobo. D, I equals to 50 kobo and II equals to 4 naira 50 kobo. Now, the amount he bought the biscuit is 4 naira, and he sells it at a profit of 20%. And whenever you hear the word profit, you should know that the person is gaining. So the selling price will be more than the amount the person bought that substance, because the person actually made a profit. Now they told you the profit is 20% of 4. Now 20% of 4 is equal to 20 over 100 multiplied by 4, which is 0.2 multiplied by 4, which is 0.8 naira. And 0.8 naira is the same thing as 80 kobo. So now his profit, which is the actual price they are talking of, I, is equal to 80 kobo, or 0.8 naira. So now they say find the actual price and the selling price. Now the selling price is equal to the amount plus the actual price. Now the amount, like I told you, was 4 naira. 4 naira was the amount. Now plus the actual price is 0.8 naira. Now 4.0 plus 0.8 is what? 4.80. Now which is 4 naira 80 kobo. Now 4 naira 80 kobo is what? The selling price, II. So our question has been solved, and we have that our actual price, I, like I said earlier, the actual price was 80 kobo, and then II, our selling price, like we solved here, is 4 naira 80 kobo. 4 naira 80 kobo. So the answer to this particular question will be option C, which says I 80 kobo and II equals to 4 naira 80 kobo. So C is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.